Rearo Laminates and Formica themselves have had a partnership for over 30 years. Rearo started as one of the distributors of one of their lines many years ago, but have recently, over the time, evolved and became one of Formica's main laminate fabricators within the UK. Rearo Bühne Board is one of the sole products that's going to be manufactured within the UK itself. Formica laminate is manufactured in North Shields, and the panel itself will be manufactured here in Glasgow. Once the order is placed with Formica, these laminates are then brought to Rearo, where they are conditioned properly within our controlled environment within the factory itself. They are then assigned to each job as required. They are then bonded, manufactured and turned into the Bühne panel as per each customer's orders. From that, they are then taken into QC, where each panel is checked technically for size, specification, and to make sure it meets the exact customer's requirements. For more information with regards to the Bühne wall lining system, please contact the commercial department at Rearo Laminates.